do make sure you've got your stout walking Crocs on and that you've got them in sport mode. Now that's hell of a view from the top of the Wolds here. Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Something a bit different today. I've been here before. This is Wharram Percy. I'm heading towards Wharram Percy, a deserted medieval village. You'd kind of hope it was deserted considering it's medieval. So I pulled up in the car park and there's a few signs to it and a little bit of an information board. And then as you walk down, you start to get this wonderful view. Obviously that's all going to drop out of sight. So this is at the top of the Yorkshire Wolds, and it's on the Wolds Way walk. Now the last time I came here I didn't have drones and I kind of wanted to come back. Now I've got a couple of drones, I've got them both in the bag with me, and I want to try and get some nice aerial shots. There's also an abandoned church and I'm kind of hoping to be able to use the Neo and fly through it a bit and do a few things like that. But in the meantime, just going to kind of enjoy the walk. Does anybody know what this crop is? Kind of looks like it's got pods on it. Is it linseed? I don't know, but if you do know, let me know in the comments. Anyway, what happens is we walk down into a valley, walk across the circle. Well, last time I was here there was some cattle in a field and there was a bull at one point. Don't know whether there still is. Judging by this barrier and the sign, I'm guessing they've had issues with people leaving that main gate open. Whilst I haven't seen any cattle, there is evidence that they've been around. Another gate. I think there's just one more after this one, and then we're pretty much there. Look at this nice little bridge here. Yeah, there we go. Look, the one opposite there. There is a disused bridge down here. You might be able to just see that through the trees. Don't know what the heck that was, whether it's probably an old... It looks like a rail bridge, but who knows, eh? Very overgrown now. Anyway, onwards, onwards! There is a sign here with all the details on from the English Heritage Site. There are a few pollarded trees up there. That one to the left there, that looks a bit dead, but the others have got growth on. And then we just got a little walk up here to go, and we're there. What I would say is this was a lovely drive here today. So I came from York on the Bridlington 166 road, up Garraby Hill, turned left, and it took me through Thixondale, and it was so pretty and scenic. It was really lovely. But I think we can tell it probably was just by the nature of this little walk itself. So as you kind of climb up from down there, you start to approach notice boards with little bits of information on. And then you kind of drop down into the remnants of the village itself. So this is part of it. I think this is where the accommodation and stuff and houses were. A couple up there just having a look at the notice board. We'll have a look in a minute, and then we'll have a look from the air, see what it looks like from up there. So that was part of a research project, that building there, And this is just kind of showing us where we are now. So to the left there was housing and a farm and so on. Then there was over there was a farm and then a church. This sign on the wall here tells you a little bit about the research project that's gone on here. And then there's another one here that explains more about this building here, about how it was erected on this site on top of a demolished building. Anyway, let's go for a little bit more of a wander. This bit's been properly closed off. I was just going to say, I wonder if there's falling rocks and stuff, and yeah. So you can see here the foundations of more buildings, and over there in the middle of that grassland there, just in front of the church. As you've just seen, I got the Atom drone up. I've got some nice aerial shots, I think. You can never really tell until you get back to your computer. And now I'm entering the churchyard, and it does have those wonderful windows, and I think it'd be great to play about with the Neo flying through this church. And I don't know what we can do on the side where the chapel, the clock tower, there's collapsed. Bell tower, sorry. I don't think this would have had a clock tower. But you can see here where it's all kind of caved and gone. Yeah, there's a window there we might be able to get through. And that one. Hello. So yeah, I think might wait for these people to go, see how they feel about it. But yeah, I kind of want to fly through here. Don't think you can go in there anymore. Have a quick nosy. Last time I came here, this was all fenced off. I think there was an issue with falling. Oh, you can go in. So at least I can retrieve the drone if needs be. Never been in here before.
no, I don't think so.
It's fair to say that took a hammering in that fall. The cover protector popped off, and this polarizing lens that I've got on the front, you can see how cracked that is. The gimbal had pushed right back in, and thankfully with a little bit of squeezing it's just popped back into place, and I've flown it since and it's fine. But yeah, that was quite a hammering. These are really quite tough. I did really enjoy flying this in and out of there. That was good fun. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this little video up there. It was just an excuse for me to play and to visit this site. I will show you a few of the gravestones before I go. But you know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing and all that jazz. I know you get sick up of hearing it, don't you? Sick of hearing it. So amongst all these stones, you've got some really old dates. That's 1890 something. There is a 1600 one somewhere. They're just, as you can see, really well worn. 1804, 1827. There's a 1600 one somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it is. Anyway, apparently what happened to this village was well, everybody was kicked out by a landowner because they wanted to farm sheep on it. Yeah, and that's the history of the abandoned, I was going to say sport village, the abandoned medieval village at Wharram Percy. As I say, hope you've enjoyed this. It's just a bit of fun and a little outing for me while I'm off work this week. Woohoo! Cheerio! So it's just over half a mile, 0.65 of a mile. So not too far, it's just uphill and down dale.